In this video, I'll be showing you how to fix Valorant Error Code 185. As it seems, you may come across an error that looks like this. Error code VAN 185. This one is written 68, but still you can try the solution. The first thing you can try before you do anything else, restart your computer. Restart your computer and then try again to see if it runs. If you still get the same error, then you can try this couple of solutions. The first one you can try, just go on your Windows icon, type in services, and then open it. After it opens, look for VGC file. Apparently, I don't have it, but I'll use the virtual disk as an example. Once you find the VGC file, double click on it. After you do that, go to Startup Type. Make sure it is on automatic. Click on Start and then Apply. When you do that, try to see if it works. If that doesn't work, you can try the second solution. What you have to do is to go to your firewall and network connection. Type in firewall and network protection. Here it is. Open it. Once it opens, go on Allow an app through firewall. Click on Change Settings. Then allow another app. Here you have to add the executable file for Valorant. So I don't have it right now, but I can use Audacity as an example. So just say this is the executable file for Valorant. Just open it and then add. Make sure you click on these options, private and public, and then press OK. Once you do that, try to rerun it again to see if it works.